good, YouTube? It's your boy Nick from Nick and Reese. All right, and we back with another video. And today we was at a car meet. All right, your boy showed out for the car meet today. Hey, so y'all already know what to do for your boys. Like, comment, subscribe. We finna go around, show a few cars, and let's get right into it. All right, let's get. Hey, y'all see mine right here. Y'all see mine right here. So we a part of it. We a part of it. But we was deep today. It's deep. So, like I said, we finna go around, show a few cars, see what they got under the hoods. All right, and ask some questions too. Stay tuned. Bro, this is crazy right here. This one is crazy. Here we go. But I like the loud, not fast, just loud. I like that one. That's probably my favorite one. I seen that pulling out the other one. Ooh, got that flashing lights on the top, man. Oh my goodness grief. This ain't blinding somebody. With the colder intake under the hood. And then the supercharger coming soon. That's what he said. Supercharger coming soon. You already know. Infinity right here. This one's clean. Let me work on my camera. This one clean right here, boy. Bumper lip on it. The splitter. Got the all black. Them lights right here. Hold on, let me get a shot right here. Hey y'all, this is crazy. We is deep today. We are actually deep. I did not expect it to be this deep, but we got this one right here beside it. Carbon fiber hood. All right. Clean. We got a little underglow peep over there. Underglow peep. And the 370Z. Check it out. Check out the 370Z, and this one's even better right here. Oh. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if y'all want to see more content. Cause hey, your boy finna be pulling up a lot more. He finna be pulling up a lot more. All right, so we finna go over here and I'm finna show y'all one of the favorites of the whole entire car meet. Here we go. Look at the vinyl on this one.
Why do you drag it? Why do you?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And then he got twin over here. He got twin. Look at it. Twin. You got God almighty. You already know we got the BMWs over here. Got a Corvette. Got a Focus. Another Infinity. Another Mustang right here. Got a GTI. Good grief. And we got the Miata. Famous Miata over there. Oh my goodness grief. Alright, so y'all already know what to do. Actually, hey, I'm kind of considering the fact. Oh, we got a Mercedes over here, revving the engine, the stock Mercedes. But hey, me and Reese might do a little send in your builds, all right? And we'll rate your builds. But we got, I thought that was Mercedes. Oh, but we got Mustang coming down. Here we go, Mustang coming down. Yeah. Oh, y'all hear it? Let me be quiet. All right, this is time to shine. Let's see if he's gonna take it. Oh, he didn't take it, y'all. He didn't take his time to shine. He had a little whiff. Ooh, look at this one over here. Now this one, different level than loud. Look at this. Look at the woman. This dude's dropping with his head up. Look at the woman right here. Oh my goodness. And Mustang's taking his place. Here you go. This is the one right here. Steering wheel in the windshield. Look at the vinyl. The vinyl's clean. This vinyl's clean. It's clean. Y'all make sure y'all like and comment and subscribe. We got this one. This one is the one that's killing me right here. halfway down lights. These are deep.
I got a video of it. So did it end up shutting down? Dude, they were Where's DJ again?
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. You already know. Hey, you gotta get your boy car in the cut. Alright? But look at this. The boy got some work to do. Don't roast me in the comments. Alright, no, Nick, your cars don't look like any of the rest of the cars. Hey, hush your freaking mouth. Alright? But like I said, hey, if y'all ain't following on the ground, y'all ain't following on the ground, y'all. Hubcaps. Those will be getting changed soon now. So, but we're deep. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe. Anyways. We got the Hondas back here. Low suspension. No suspension. Alright, like I said, like we said, no, we're not driving no more fish bowls in 2022. Alright. So, you good? Alright guys, so today we're going to be making history. I'll be removing my scratch marks on the Honda Civic LX 2008. Come close.
Hey, move in. Let me show you something. Ready?
Oh, shadows moving. Oh.
Nick,
Yeah.
I'll sell you something.
What is it? Oh, hold on now. Dang, look at that. Oh.
I think we're stuck with the scratch mark, y'all.
What car is that behind us now?
Wow.
Oh, never
Alright, you guys, that'll be the end of this video. Alright, and honestly, I can say for myself, I enjoyed myself, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And y'all already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know down in the comment section below if y'all want me to go to some more car meets and y'all want to see some more action. Because me personally, I honestly do. So y'all let me know. Was this video a banger or was it not? Like, y'all let me know. But that being said, like I say, like, comment, subscribe for your boy. We're dropping bangers off for the rest of 2022. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.